Now we're going to do the chromatic exercise, chromatic scales. And we're going to have 4 of them in Piano 2. I teach my Piano 1 class this scale from the very beginning, but we only do the number 1 version, which they're all the same. They just begin at different points on the piano, and it makes it feel different. You'd be surprised. Location, location, location. So number 1 is a scale that begins on E above middle C with your thumb of your right hand, and we'll just take hands alone at first. And the beautiful thing about these scales is between the hands they're always the same finger, 1 versus 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, whatever, and it's the same color key. Either white matches and black matches on all 4 of these different exercise scales. So beginning with the thumb on the white key, E, we will play 2 octaves, and that's the tricky part, to remember where to turn around. You're going to turn around at the 2nd octave E up here, and then it says etc., meaning you're going to return all the way back down to the E. I just didn't write it out all the way on the paper. So beginning with the 2nd finger, the thumb on the E, we are going to play a chromatic scale that begins like this, and you only use your 3rd finger on all the black keys, excuse me. Always use your 3rd finger on the black keys. So it's going to feel like this action a lot. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. You only use the 2nd finger when the 2 white keys are played next to each other. That's the only time the 2nd finger is used. And you must be careful to use your 2nd finger on the same key coming down as you did on the way up. You don't want to twist your fingers like this. Rather like this. Okay, so beginning right here, it's like this. White, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, white. That's 1 octave. 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. That's the top. Back down. 3. Now this is where you have to be careful not to use your thumb. Use your 2nd finger with the 2 white keys. Then it's 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. One more time, that's the complete 2 octave scale with the right hand. Now the left hand is going to be the same idea, but beginning on the C, a major 3rd below the E. But notice it's the same finger, same color. Same finger, 3rd finger, same color key. So it would be like this. Do the same thing on number 2, but we're going to invert it. So the E is going to be with the left hand, and we're going to bring this up an octave to here. So we're going to begin here instead. Now, this finger was used, this key was used, played with the second finger. So we're going to begin this scale with our second finger, like this. Please do that. You could start with your thumb, but please use your second finger. So beginning from here, even though the middle C is written here, it has the octave sign above it, which means these notes are played one octave higher than written. Ready, 2, 3, begin. Okay, number 3. This one begins on black keys. And remember, we always use our third finger on the black keys, the middle finger. Here we have 3 ledger lines above the bass staff, which is the G flat above middle C. And here we have the B flat below middle C, third finger with the B flat, but 1 octave higher. So it will be a major third above this G flat. So that one begins here. Third fingers, middle fingers on these 2 keys. Now what I like to do, and as you can see indicated in the way I beamed the 8th notes, is I would like you to accent these notes in triplets instead of duples. So you would hear it as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like this. 1, 2, 3, ready, and let go. 1, 2, 3, accent. To accent it, you'll lift your finger a little bit, like a pitcher winding up. Okay, so the last one, we do an inversion of this the other way around. Our right hand plays the G flat and our left hand plays the B flat. And it is written so in the music. It's written way down here but with an octave higher sign, and this is just a normal B flat. Again, we play in triplets. 1, 2, 3, ready, 2, go. Those are the 2 exercises that we will do as warm-ups before every class. 2 of the most important things in music and playing piano. Enjoy.